Hi, hello guys, welcome to IAS Expert YouTube channel. Today we will share you the part 2 of important topics for UPSC Prelims 2021. So previously we said that there will be around 20 parts and there will be 30 questions in each part. So you will get around 600 important topics for Prelims 2021. So we have covered part 1 yesterday and we will link in description. The first one is ITER, which stands for International Thermonuclear Experiment Reactor. Just read location, members of this experiment, and objective of this experiment. Second one is Accelerate Vigyan Scheme. Just read implementing agency and subcomponents of this scheme like Abhyas, Sammohan, objective of this scheme. Next one, multimodal logistic park. Location of first multimodal logistic park and implementing agency and aim of this multimodal logistic park. Next one, monoclonal antibodies. This is the most important topic which may expect in prelims. This is related to COVID-19 treatment. Go through each and every point regarding monoclonal antibodies. OSIRIS-REx. Just go through by which agency it is launched. NASA launched OSIRIS-REx and what is the purpose of this launch. Global Hunger Index. Just read, it is released by Concern Worldwide and World Hunger Life, and India ranking top ranker in this index. And indicators on which this index is made. Next one is Amrut scheme. Implementing agency, number of cities it is implemented. Next one is aim of this scheme. Next one, Mosaic. Mosaic stands for multidisciplinary drifting observatory for the Arctic climate. National Startup Award. Just go through ministry behind this award and it is awarded to which company, to which sectors it is awarded. These are the important points for National Startup Award 2020. Next, Kasturi Cotton. Brand name, theme, and also go through largest producer and consumer of cotton in world. Water attaché. It is a division established by Israel in India. Next, Blue Dot Network. It is a road, port and bridges certifying agency, just like Blue Flag Beaches. It is led by USA. Second one is Snow Leopard. Just go through IUCN status, the countries in which snow leopard is habitated, scientific name, conservation programs, national and international. INS Kavarati. It is designed by and built by. Just go through this one and purpose of INS Kavarati. It is an anti-submarine ship. Next, go through anemia. Recently, Government of India has launched Anemia Mukt Bharat scheme. So, anemia topic is important. Causes, symptoms, treatments, schemes launched by Government of India. Next one, thalassemia. Same. Go through the causes, symptom, treatments and schemes launched by Government of India. Next one is Crimea Congo hemorrhage fever. We may expect question from this topic, like it is transmitted by which insect and what are the symptoms, are there any vaccination for this. This disease is found in which area first. Next, RACE 2020 summit. Objective of this summit: organizing agencies. Next, PUSA decomposer. Go through each and every point regarding this PUSA decomposer. Kiza Kawani Bazaar Masquerade. We may expect a question related to this topic, like Abdul Ghaffar, motto of this masquerade, or situations which led to this masquerade. Just go through all the important points regarding Kiza Kawani Bazaar Masquerade and Abdul Ghaffar. Next one is intelligent transport system. What are the objectives of intelligent transport system? Then another important topic for UPSC prelims under polity section. Just go through each and every point regarding SC and ST reservation, like with articles related to SC reservation, articles related to ST reservation, and reservation in Lok Sabha for SC and ST candidates, and reservation for SC ST candidates in legislative assemblies. Just go through all the important topics and articles related to reservation for SC and ST. Parampara series, organizing agencies, aim of this festival. National Technical Textile Mission. Just go through implementing agencies, aim and objective of this mission, difference between technical textile and geotextile. What are the uses of technical textiles? Swayam 2.0, implementing ministry and agencies, and aim of this scheme. Next one, another important topic, LIGO, Gravitational Observatory. Just go through each and every point related to this topic. Next, BioRock. What is the purpose of BioRock and how it helps in conservation of corals? Spitzer Space Telescope. NASA will retire this telescope on Jan 2020. So just go through the purpose of this space telescope and when it is launched. It is launched in 2003. Polycrack technology. Just go through this technology. And future applications of this technology. Next, UNESCO MAB, Man and Biosphere. Just go through the list of MABs in India. There are totally 12 MABs in India and names of MABs in India like Nilgiri, Gulf of Mannar, Sundarbans, Nanda Devi, etc. Just remember the names of UNESCO MABs in India. These are the important topics for your prelims 2021. Please do subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you.